Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Lecture summaries are a quick way to keep parents in the loop and track what students are learning. IQRA makes this process simple and paper-free. In today's video, I will walk through how a teacher can upload summaries after each class, how to attach files or links, and finally, how parents can view them instantly through their portal. Teachers first log into the portal. Each teacher sees their assigned classes and past summaries. To upload a new one, select a class like second grade Quranic Studies and click Add Summary. Now, give your lecture a unique title, choose the lecture date and your notes. You can even insert helpful links or upload documents like images or PDFs. Once done, click on Create and you will see two options to choose from. You can click on Create just to create the summary, or you can create and notify the parents. And the parents get the notification instantly. Now you can see the lecture summary is created successfully. Parents can now log in, head to their child's classes, and see uploaded summaries under each subject. Now click on Lecture Summaries and you can see the summary which the teacher uploaded. Now click a title to view the content. You can view any document if the teacher uploaded one and also download the documents. And that's how easy it is to upload and view lecture summaries with IQRA. This will make the teachers, parents, and the students stay on the same page. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.